There's a bird in the house. Yo, bird. You need to, like, get out. Can you, like, hold on. Hey, bird. Are you stuck? Let me not fall and kill myself. Oh my god, he's stuck in a fucking plastic bag. God damn it. I don't know how to go about this. Oh, shit. Let me get scissors. Yeah, he's stuck in a plastic bag.
I know. He was up on the steps and I couldn't catch him.
Shit. How the fuck did he...
I don't believe. Can he get behind there now?
Yeah, he's behind here. I'm trying to...
Yeah, I know. Let's keep going. Come on.
Oh, shit.
Oh, no. Come on, get moving, man. Stop.
I'm trying. I don't know what to do because I don't know if he's got rabies or something.
I know.
Oh, shit, don't do that. Oh, fuck.
Oh, no. How did you get the fuck in?
Where'd he go? Oh, shit, he's over there. Yo, chill. You got scissors? I'm gonna try to, like... There's a bird. There's a pigeon. Try to get me scissors. I got an idea, but I gotta, like, be careful. Like, if I go too quick, he'll jump. But if I think I can cut that bag...
Yeah. I don't know how the fuck you got in here, though.
I do, and it's Clayton's fault, but I'll get to that later. That fucking ceiling. There's a hole somewhere. I don't know where it is, but instead of fixing it, he just tries to cover up something else. Fuck. Do you have scissors? Yeah. Because he won't move as long as we, stay chill. It's okay, little guy. I hope he didn't hurt himself when he fell down the fucking steps. How the fuck did he even get in here? Well, I think he came through that hole that Clayton hasn't fixed, but... Jesus, how did it get in the plastic bag? Hold on, little guy. Okay, you want to tell me? Okay, little guy. Don't move. It's okay. It's okay. God! Shit! Fuck! God damn it!
Can't find any scissors.
It's okay, I got scissors. Oh, I just gotta... Shit! Fuck! No, I don't want to crush him. No! Shit! God damn it! How the fuck do I end up in these situations? All these scissors suck.
I can't find them.
Don't move, little guy.
I'll look.
Come on. Come on. No. I almost got it, okay? Hold on. Hold on, buddy. Fuck, man. You see the problem with plastic bags now. It's okay, buddy. Hold on. You see firsthand the problem with plastic bags. Even in my own home, imagine in the city and shit. Okay? Almost. Let me move this out the way. Oh, fuck. Jesus. Damn. shit. That still doesn't, well, at least I got the bag off of him.
Yeah.
Do we gotta call Animal Control or
You
something?
might have to, because
Well, at least he's out of the bag. Like,
I think he's hurt.
I mean, he fell. This is gonna be an interesting video. I mean, you'll see. I mean, I'll leave him right now. I'll call Clayton and I'll see. I don't actually know what I'm supposed to do, but I'm glad to get the bag off of him.